Right guys, this is a straight test of copying instructions or following instructions on a YouTube video. I actually spotted the paper aeroplanes on Pinterest, but when I followed it through to the YouTube site, I'm pretty sure I've built planes from that site before. It's paperaplanes, paperaplanes or something like that. And I may even have done these before. So I did one last night and didn't film it, and it's a bit tail heavy. I don't know about the new one, we'll find out, because that one was slightly thicker paper. This is lighter paper, but we'll go down the end and see how we get on. Right, this one's tail heavy, or at least it climbs too quickly, so I'm giving it some down elevator. Yeah, this is the one we just did, so completely untrimmed at the moment. Yeah, I would say they're both tail heavy, so I'll put a paper clip on them or something. Well, I think this one's called Sloop. The details will be in the video description. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.